square. What is the surface area? 4 pi r square. Sphere radius is r, then what will be the surface area? 4 pi r square. Can anybody prove this? How we are getting 4 pi r square? Is it possible to prove this? Because for calculating area, if the shape is like linear shape like this, that's okay, we can easily find out, because we are having understanding regarding this. Because if it is a, if it is b, like a into b we can say. But now in this case, this is not a ordinary shape, it is a curved shape. Okay, and the curve நீங்க எது பண்ணியாவது flat ஆ கொண்டு வரமா? Is it possible to bring the surface area of the sphere like this in the flat manner? Anybody? Are you understanding my question? You are having sphere. Okay, is it possible to make the sphere surface by tearing out the sphere surface? Is it possible to bring out as a flat surface? Yes, anyone? By means of cutting? Okay, generally it is not possible. Generally it is not possible, because always you will get some kind of curve. Whatever you do, whatever the number of cutting you make, definitely you will get some kind of curve shape. Then again calculating that area is a little bit difficult with the help of this idea. Okay, so now the surface area is 4 pi r square. Roughly this is equal to 12 r square. Roughly this is equal to 12 r square. Then you know what is r square. Say r is some number. It may be the radius of the sphere in this case, but in general r is some number. If r is some number, what is r square, sir? Suppose if it is value of r is this one, then this is the area. This is the area r square. R square means what, sir? Area. It is having some area. R square. Side is a. Both sides are equal. R and R. Then area is r square. Okay. Area is r square. Again, you know what is the value of r. You know what is the value of r. Then what is the understanding? What is the understanding? Again, there comes some 12 factor. There comes some 12 factor. Okay. Here in this case, this 4 pi is not a radian. It is a steradian, 3D angle. This is not a simple 2D angle. This is 3D angle. Okay, 3D angle. The unit of this one is steradian. Both may be looking same, 2 pi, 4 pi, but the unit is different, because you are in 3D domain. The unit of this angle 4 pi is steradian. Okay. Okay, then what is steradian? Okay, what is steradian? What is 1 steradian? Okay, in this case, say for example, this 4 pi, the total solid angle of the sphere is 4 pi. Okay, எப்படி வந்து ordinary 2D ல angle வந்து உங்களுக்கு total angle என்னவா இருந்தது 2 pi ஓ, அதுபோல solid angle ல total solid angle is 4 pi. Okay, total solid angle is 4 pi. The total solid angle is giving you 4 pi r square value. Okay, then one solid angle. Okay, one solid angle, one steradian will give you, the area of r square. One steradian will give you the area of r square. Okay, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Say you take some circle. Okay, and again you connect here only, you know, only 2 points, but definitely there will be 4 points. Okay, because it is sphere. Then you connect all the points together. Okay, all the points together. Then definitely it will make some angle. It will make some angle. Okay, you imagine yourself, you are inside a spherical ball. Okay, you are inside a spherical ball. You have to choose a region on the surface. You have to choose some region on the surface. Okay, in such a way, it gives the area of r square. In such a way, it gives the area of r square. Is it possible, sir? Yes, it is very much possible, because you are having on the surface 12 r square area. You are having 12 r square area. Roughly, you can choose a surface. They are close together. You can form only r square area. Only r square area. Okay. You are choosing some region here. You are choosing some region. Okay, and you connect all that point to the center point. You connect all that point to the center point here. So here only 2 lines is there, but definitely there will be many lines will be connecting here. Okay, then inside all these lines you will form some angle, you will form some angle that is called solid angle, that is called solid angle. So if you are taking r square area, if you want to get r square area on the surface, then what is the solid angle? 1 steradian. What is the solid angle? Definitely the solid angle will be 1 steradian. Then what is r? R is the radius of the sphere. R is the radius of the sphere. Okay, then totally there are how many steradian roughly in sphere? There are 12 steradian. Okay, each steradian gives r square area. Definitely you will get 12 r square area. 12 r square area. 12 r square area is what, sir? 4 pi r square. Roughly I am telling 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. This is the idea how the sphere surface area is 4 pi r square. Okay, 4 pi r square. Again, to get a clear idea about this, I will give you the simple exercise. Okay, you take a orange fruit. You take orange fruit. Okay, anyway, this is available everywhere. Orange fruit, you take this. Once the orange fruit நீங்க எடுத்துன பிறகு அது மேல இருக்க தோல் எல்லாம் பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. தோலை மட்டும் எடுங்க. தோலை மட்டும் எடுத்துட்டு அகைன் தோலை மட்டும் எடுத்துனா கர்வ் நேச்சர்ல இருக்கும். அகைன் அது ஸ்மால் பீசஸா மாத்துங்க. என்னவா மாத்துங்க? ஸ்மால் பீசஸ். அது என்னவா மாத்துங்க? ஸ்மால் பீசஸா மாத்துங்க. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்களுக்கு என்ன சார் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும்? ஆரஞ்சுடைய ரேடியஸ் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். ஆரஞ்சுடைய radius. Anybody how to calculate the radius of the orange? Any idea? Anyway, you are not having access to the center point. Huh?
Diameter.
Yeah. The idea is you find out the diameters, then make it up. Definitely that will be the radius. That is same as from the center point. Okay, you can calculate. Now you know what is the radius of the orange. What is the radius of the orange? Already you know. Okay. Suppose for simplicity, I assume that in reality, what will be the radius, sir, for orange? Anybody? In reality, how many centimeter it will be there? For simplicity, let me take 3 centimeters radius. 4. Okay, I take 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. Okay, 4 or 3, that's okay. Some centimeter radius is say some 3 centimeter. Now what I am going to do? I am going to form a cube whose value is 3 and 3. I am going to form a cube. Cube என்ன பண்ணணும் சார்? ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு பென்சில் எடுத்துங்க. நீங்களே அந்த ஷேப் வரீங்க. 3 சென்டிமீட்டர் 3 சென்டிமீட்டர்ல நீங்க என்ன ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும்? கியூப் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். Like this, you make how many cubes? 12 cubes. You make 12 cubes. Okay. Yes.
Square, sir.
Yes, square. 2 dimensional. Yes, sorry. You take square. The square that sides of the square is 3 and 3. You take squares because we are analyzing that area concept. So you take square. Like this, you take 12 squares. Like this, you take 12 squares. Okay, you take 12 squares. Okay, you are having the small pieces of orange. You try to fill out here. You try to fill out. Definitely, all the 12 boxes will get filled up. Definitely, all 12 boxes will get filled up because what is the reason? The surface area is what, sir? 4 pi r square. So 12 r square. So it has to fill out in 12 boxes exactly. This exercise you can do it yourself or you can give it to a neighbor children's. Yes. Okay. So இது என்ன சொல்றேன்னு புரிய வருதா? ஆல்ரெடி மேபி என்னுடைய கிளாஸ் ஆல்ரெடி அட்டன் பண்ணவங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பா புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பட் இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் அட்டன் பண்றவங்களுக்கு என்ன சொல்ல வரேன் அப்படின்னு புரியுதா? I am just trying to prove the formula or not only proving that to get some kind of intuitive understanding about the formulas because in the formula தான் திரும்ப யூஸ் பண்ணிருப்போம். So you should have some intuitive physical understanding of this formula. Why it is actually 4 pi, why it is 2 pi, why not something else? Okay, you should know. Yes, everyone. என்ன சொல்றேன்னு புரியுதா? Assignment. Yes, you can talk. First time புதுசா அட்டெண்ட் பண்ற கிளாஸ். Yes. Give me some answer either in the comment or in.
Yes, sir. Purida, sir. Samina.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, anyway, again, randomly I'm teaching because I want to tell you concepts that is because I have not any order here. So I take some cylinder. The radius of the cylinder is r. The radius of the cylinder is r, and the radius of the cylinder is r. Then height of the cylinder is h. Then what will be the surface area? I'm not asking about this area or this area. I am asking about the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Anyone? Yes. What is the simple idea? Yeah, that lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi
RH.
r. Yes, h. Then what is the idea behind this? 2 pi r you are giving. That means what? You are giving this value and you are multiplying with this. Okay. Then what is the intuitive understanding? You just cut the sphere in this way. Okay, in this way, then you will get a shape similar to rectangle. Is it not, sir? Once if you cut the sphere vertically at a fixed angle, say 90 degree at some point on the sphere, you will get a roll like this. You will get a roll like this. Anyway, this is the height. Anyway, this is the height. This roll value is 2 pi r. This roll value is 2 pi r. Again, what will be the area of this one? Definitely just a product. That's why the lateral surface area of the sphere is sorry, not sphere, cylinder. Lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. ஏன்னா once நிறைய ஃபார்முலா படிக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா மேபி these are all basics. ஒரு சிலவங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும், ஒரு சிலவங்களுக்கு தெரியாம இருந்திருக்கும். ஜஸ்ட் ஃபார்முலாவே வச்சு ஓட்டி வந்துருப்பீங்க. ஸோ யூ ட்ரை டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த கான்செப்ட் பிஹைண்ட் தட். ஓகே. So what is that? 2 pi r h. Area is 2 pi r h. Okay. Now the next question is, what is the volume of the cylinder? Anybody? How you get volume? See, from tracing of the point is line, tracing of the line is surface, and finally the tracing of the surface is volume. Surface, if you trace the surface, you will get volume. Okay, you will get volume. You take some surface and you trace it in any one of the direction, you will get volume. So in this case, I take this surface, I'm going to trace it in the way, okay, the upward direction. I'm going to trace it. I'm tracing my area in one direction, in exactly the perpendicular direction to that area. See, this is the area. What is exactly perpendicular direction? Either this one or this one, exactly perpendicular direction. Okay, once if you trace it in that way, what you are getting, first of all, you should know you are taking some area. That the area is pi r square. Again, you are tracing in that way. How long you are tracing? Say if it is h. So the volume, that is the meaning of the volume. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. What is the meaning, sir? You take area and you trace it exactly in the perpendicular way up to the distance of h, then you will get cylinder volume. You will get cylinder volume. Okay. Next. What is the lateral side value here for this cone? I have taken some solid cone whose height is h. Height is definitely from the center point of the circle, the lateral surface from cone axis to any one of the point on the circle is a lateral lines. The lateral lines we used to call it as L. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, okay, Pythagoras theorem, it is like h square and r square overall square root. This is the lateral side. Okay. Okay, then what is my question? Anyway, you know the base area, that is simply pi r square. Anyway, you know the base area, that is simply pi r square. Then what is the lateral surface area? Anyone? Lateral, I'm asking. Yes, sir. Pi r square L வராது சார். ஏரியானாலே 2 டைமென்ஷன் தான் இருக்கும். r square into L லாம் வராது.
pi r l
2 pi
rl
2 pi rl. Okay, you are telling 2 pi
pi rl
r pi rl la pi rl. Anybody can prove this? How you are getting lateral surface pi rl or 2 pi rl? You are telling something. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் lateral surface cylindric எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்குதுன்னு சொன்னேன். Can you extend that discussion here? How you are getting pi rl here? You are telling somebody is telling pi rl, somebody is 2 pi rl. Okay. Yes, anyone? What is the shape you will get once if you cut this? Yeah, you are having flexibility with the white body. You can explain here. Oh, from the cone you are calculating that lateral surface area. Yes, Sudarshan, any idea? நீங்க சொல்றது ஒண்ணுமே புரியாது. உனோட டயகிராம் போட்டா தான் புரியும்.
சார் கீழ பேஸ் இருக்குல்ல சார், சர்க்கிள், அதோட ரேடியஸ் வந்து r, அப்புறம் வந்து 2 pi r வந்து சுற்றளவு. அதுல பாதி வந்து உங்களுக்கு pi rl தானே சார்? pi r.
ஏன் பாதி எடுக்குறீங்க?
ஏன்னா கோன் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஆஃபா கட் பண்றோம்.
ஆஃபா எங்க
pi r போதும்ல. இந்த தான சார் கேட்டிங்க?
இதுல
சர்ஃபேஸ்.
ஓகே, நவ மை क्वेश्चन. யா, சர்ஃபேஸ் எதனா ஒரு சைடு மட்டும் கிடையாது, ஃபுல்லா தான் கேக்குறேன் நான். சுத்தி வர லேட்டரல் சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியா என்ன? ஒன்ஸ் இஃப் யூ கட் தி கோன், ஓகே, எப்படி அது சர்ஃபேஸா மாறுது? வாட் இஸ் தி சர்ஃபேஸ் ஷேப்? இப்போ நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு சிலிண்டருக்கு சொன்னேன். சிலிண்டர் கட் பண்ணும்போது எப்படி மாறும்? உங்களுக்கு இமேஜின் பண்ணும்போதே தெரியும். அது எப்படி வரும்? ஸ்கொயரா வரும். இமேஜின் பண்ணும்போது தெரியும் அது எப்படி வரும்? ஸ்கொயரா வரும். அது போல யா, அது போல இத கட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா எப்படி வரும்? ஒரு கோன் எடுத்துங்க. கோனை எடுத்துட்டு பெர்பெண்டிகுலர் கட் பண்றீங்க. ஓகே, from the base கட் பண்றீங்க. anyway finally you have to form surface. ஓகே, அப்போ upwardல கட் பண்றீங்க towards the axis. then finally what you will get? How will you form the cone with the paper, sir? Anybody? No idea? Yeah, somebody give one correct answer. From triangle you can form cone.
Sir.
From triangle. Yeah. Diagram போடுறியா? Yes. Once if we cut the diagram, how it will look like?
Sir, ஒரு triangle ஒன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம் சார், right angle triangle.
எடுத்துக்க.
அது வந்து 2 pi radians நம்ம சுத்துறோம் சார், அந்த டாப் ஆங்கிள் சென்டர் வச்சுக்கிட்டு.
யா, டயகிராம்ல அப்படியே போடுறேன். ஓகே
சார், நம்ம இந்த பொசிஷனை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு
இதையும் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணணுமா?
இல்ல சார், இத ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம பாட்டத்துல வந்து 2 pi radians. எஸ் சார், 2 pi radians.
ஓகே
சார், அப்படி ரொட்டேட் பண்ணும்போது 2 pi
r ரொட்டேட் பண்ற.
எஸ் சார், இதோட இது வந்துரும் சார் ஏரியா.
Okay.
Triangle area on the LR by 2. 2 cancel.
2 pi times you are rotating. Okay, you are giving some idea. 2 pi times you are rotating. What is L into R?
Sir, area of a triangle, sir.
Area of the triangle. This is L. Wait a bit. This is L. This is R. Okay. Again, the area of the triangle is LR by 2. Okay, LR by 2. 2 pi R times rotate பண்றதுனால pi RL again 2 pi LR by 2. But anyway, finally, lateral surface area pi RL. What you are telling? See that area. This you are giving you the area. Okay.
Yes,
Area of this thing is LR. LR by 2. LR by 2. 2 pi R times you are rotating. 2 pi R times you are rotating. Okay, 2 pi R. But LR square over there. So sorry, 2 pi R time 2 pi times. But 2 pi R is a confusion over there. 2 pi times rotating, 2 pi angle.
Yes, sir.
There is some confusion. Yes. Again, it's not clear.
2 pi times, sir.
2 pi times only rotating. No. No. Where idea? Yes. Anybody? What about others? Anybody? Okay. Say you are having one triangle like this. Okay, one triangle like this. The height of the triangle is h. Height of the triangle is h. The lateral surface is L. Okay, lateral surface is L. Okay. Now this is like, say, this entire distance. This is like 2 pi R, entire distance, full distance. Now you try to connect this point with this point. Okay, you try to, because both are in same plane, you try to connect this point with this point, whether you will be getting this one or not. Just imagine yourself. Okay, just imagine yourself. Okay, I am taking the value like this. You try to connect this point with this point, you will get like this. Okay, you will get like this. That means what? Once this was the lateral, this is the lateral surface actually. Finally, it will give you the lateral surface. Okay, over, because you are just connecting these 2 points. Okay, once if you connect these 2 points, definitely there will be no overlapping, because this is in this way. So these two will be, once these two will be connected, and these two will be connected, these two will be connected, like this it goes on, and finally it forms what, sir? Cone. It forms what? Cone. Okay, so what is the understanding? So that means what is the area of the triangle I have taken? Area of the triangle, because I have taken some triangle, it is forming a cone. Then what is it is forming a cone? Definitely the triangle area has to be the lateral surface area of the cone. Okay, so the cone, so the triangle area, what is the area? Now it is very clear. The area of this triangle is what, sir? What is the area of this triangle? Okay, anyway, this is like pi r. There are two triangle. Okay, and each triangle angle is 90 degree. So half BH formula I can write 2 times half BH. So base of each triangle is pi r, and again h comes here. Again there is some confusion, sir. Is it correct what we are doing now, or otherwise just anyone? Lateral surface is pi r L only, no? L. Pi r L only. But again we are having pi r L. Okay. Yes. Again we are having confusion. Some kind of confusion is there. Pi r L. or otherwise I think. Okay, anyway, but this is the way to solve, but finally you have to get pi RL. Please check it out where we are making a mistake, and that means I think this H and L has to be equal in that shape. Okay, anyway, we will come to that. Somebody please look into this where our understanding is missing. Okay, how to calculate the surface area of the cone in intuitive way? It's very simple. Once if you have a solid cone, if you cut it through any point, finally you will get some shape. Finally, you will get some shape. From that shape, you can get the surface area. Actually, you need that intuitive understanding. You have to take solid cone and cut vertically. Okay, towards any one of the direction, cut vertically. Then finally you form the area. Then find out the area of the cone. Okay. Anyway, that surface area of the cone is pi RL. You just try to prove that. Okay. Then we have taken the basic shapes like circle and cone, sphere. Anything else is missing? Basic shapes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we'll meet around 9 o'clock. Not 9 o'clock, around 9:10. Okay. We'll be back at 9:10. In the meantime, try to find out, try to prove pi RL formula. Try to prove. Okay. Once you proof, okay, you can share it here. Okay. In the whiteboard, you can discuss. Okay. For a few minutes. Then I will go to the next part. Yes, sir. Okay. Karthi.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, because I'm not a maths teacher, because randomly I'm telling what I know, but sometimes even my understanding fails in some cases. Okay, so